Hello everyone, and thank you for taking time out of your busy day for this, our first video here at Thomas Chemicals. I'm AJ Thomas, the lead chemist and one of the founding members of our modest company. Today what I want to talk about is really our core mission as a company, which is to create and produce products in such a way that it is better for people as well as the environment with as little waste as possible, and to use our business as a way to support our community. Our motto is better for all of us, and it's something that, even though it is such a simple statement, really drives what we do here at Thomas Chemicals. Every product that we make is biodegradable, safe for handling, and effective. We certainly do not believe that the only choices for products should be ones that are either safe for you and the environment but don't work well, or effective products that are terrible for the environment and the people using them. If you read online on our website or our social media pages, you'll see that we try very diligently to make responsible products in a mindful fashion. Where applicable, our products are even RSPO certified and IFRA compliant. Our uniquely scented hand sanitizer is also FDA registered and made with certified Illinois ethanol. We do our best to source our materials within the United States, ideally from other small businesses that are local to us. We are enthusiastic about supporting local businesses and in the process, reducing the pollution that goes with shipping. However, all of that information is already out there. What I want to talk about now is the behind the scenes aspect and how we really do live up to our own ideals in every way that we can. We, the owners of Thomas Chemicals, take the idea of safer products and better business practices to heart. And when we talk about our backgrounds another day, you will see that this is not a new concept for any of us. One of the ways that we have been able to keep the promise that we have made is by purchasing equipment and other materials from other companies which have either gone out of business or have no continuing need for those items. By doing this, we have kept a large amount of material from being thrown in a landfill or sent to scrap. In this way, we have also been able to keep some of the spirit of those companies alive in their absence. A specific example, and one close to me personally, is that we were able to get several pieces of equipment when one of the local manufacturing plants for General Electric closed. It had been a cornerstone of the community for over 75 years. I have been told many times, then and since, that it brought a lot of comfort to the older employees there, knowing that the equipment would be given new life in our small community facility and that it would continue to benefit our area instead of being shipped out to some other nameless corporation far away or sold as scrap metal. This was a blessing and a responsibility that we did not take lightly, and we have tried, especially during this last difficult year, to do what we could to benefit our community. Not everything that we have is saved equipment. When we first started, we built our first heated mixers and fill station from items that would otherwise have been trash. Old packaging materials, scrap wood, and pieces from other equipment that was no longer usable. We still have them, and we still use them. Not only have we tried to build a company that wastes as little as possible, we have tried to repurpose materials from ours and other so-called trash and give them new life in our facility. The majority of the few things that we cannot reuse, which believe me is very little, is taken to a local recycling facility. For such a large building, we produce very little actual trash. But why stop there? We have big plans for the future too. We are currently working to implement a gray water system to significantly reduce our water waste as well as our environmental impact. This would allow us to use high mineral wastewater from our filtration system for cleaning and other non-potable uses. We have plans for more energy efficient fixtures in our building, as well as material repurposing and recycling programs. We are also hoping to eventually renovate or move into a much more energy efficient facility. Despite the challenges over the last year, we have worked to get more involved with our local community, donating hand sanitizer and cleaning supplies to local businesses, including local favorites such as the Honey Bee Cafe and Auto Truck and Farm Repair. We participated in a community drive-through trunk or treat for Halloween, doing live chemistry demonstrations for the children as they drove through, as well as several community events over the holiday season. Thank you so much for joining us today. and I hope that you have enjoyed this little bit of our story here at Thomas Chemicals. I pray that we have inspired you to look for every way that you can do your part to make the world a little better for all of us.